3.5 million people in the UK are living with osteoporosis, which is quite staggering numbers. But some research now is pointing towards taking care of the gut and the gut microbiome, towards helping to support bone density and bone strength in later life. Some studies with specific strains of probiotics have demonstrated this. If there's increased intestinal permeability, it can increase inflammation, and increased inflammation can encourage bone breakdown. And by taking care of the overall gut microbiome and its diversity and abundance, research is showing that it's helping bone remodeling, helping to support that stronger bone matrix. So think about your vegetable diversity to support and feed the good bacteria, known as prebiotics. They feed off this different types of fibre from our vegetables in the plant-based diet that we should be eating. In turn, this produces metabolites that are supporting a healthy gut wall, helping to protect against intestinal permeability as well.